your good attitude. One is to argue, that means you are yet not mature, not pleasant, not good. I request you to develop your attitude, this beautiful attitude. 8 marks for attitude. Long parents will give you 4 marks and teachers will give you 4 marks. Sports, 4 marks. Again, sports is one of the biggest platform in the world to develop your life skill. The biggest platform to develop your life skill is the sports field. If you go there, cooperation, coordination, winning and losing. I tell you, millions of attitudes are on sports field. And where are all the sports coaches, please? Can you all stand up? Sports coaches, please. A big hand to them. They will make a huge change in your life. Huge change. Please sit down. Next, please. Yeah, before I come to that, the one who are your taking care of you, like at home, and looking after you, are your parents like dog parents? Dog parents, please stand up. They will love you and they will make your life beautiful. Give them a big hand, please. And help them. Don't promote them too much. Please. Thank you, children. Thank you. This is how your marks will be given. And this is how you will get children. Goes to parents, name of student, then class teacher will give you how many marks out of these 6 traits. And the traits are here. Is independent thinking, 1 mark. Is able to interact, 1 mark. Copes with stress in effective manner, 2 marks. And none of the above, 0 marks. So all the 6 teachers will give you there. It's very, very important that you get excellent records. But this should be followed for 11th and for today's pattern. Show to them, make them sign the report cards. And this is when who get less, they should come for interview to the committee and we should think what to do. Next please. Today some children came to me 12th. Many children are coming to me, sir, we are applying for this university. They are asking for beautiful report from the school. They are asking for commendation report from the school. What should I do here? They were the very long boys. Very long boys. So I told them, well, please wait, we'll see what to do. And very lukewarm report. He studied in the school and they were very lukewarm report. With any university, any intelligent person knows there's nothing in that. There's 0 in that. And you see, I gave some students like Spurti and all fabulous reports. Monisha, lovely reports, saying they're outstanding children and they have tremendous of leadership qualities in them and they are fabulous. I request all of you take such certificates from us and you will carry it to the class. So it will be laminated, such wonderful record for you to go to university and show that. Anywhere you go, earn it please. 12th especially, earn it. Please earn it, children. Please earn it. Don't waste time in road-like behavior, executive behavior. The 2 behaviors, I told you, Adidas behavior and road-like behavior. And Adidas behavior is brand, quality, executive. And road-like behavior is, you know what it is, ruffian. So request, I know. In life, it is there like your parents, they are cream of the society, your parents. There are very few, out of lakhs of people, your parents are cream. In the school also I have seen children, 25% children are self-motivated, all are good, but 25% of children are self-motivated. Don't have to tell you have to study. Don't have to tell Suti study. You have to tell Suti don't study so much. I am telling you please self-motivated. 25%. And more than 60%, believe me, are average. They just do enough stuff, they are not pushing themselves and they are just happy with 60, 70 or even less marks. That's very sad. Your parents love you and every mother and father wants you to do well. And we are there to help you do rightly. We will help you, children. Not you, we will help you. There are 10-15% in every class, every school who are totally wrong behavior, who disturb the class, disturb other children, disturb teacher, and they need tremendous amount of counseling. I have also tied up that they will go and serve in old age homes for 1 week. They will serve in some cancer department of children for 1 week to realize their behavior is not up to Beautiful behavior parents have taught. If anybody asks you what your mummy has given to you, what your daddy has given to you, I know many children told me birth, fine. Many children told me love, fine. But the biggest thing your mummy and your daddy have given you is what your character is. What your sanskar is. What are you? What is the behavior? Because from childhood, mummy teaches you. This is right, this is wrong. Don't tell lies, tell truth, don't hurt others, respect others. This is your mummy, this is your daddy. And please remember, it's always mother, father, mummy, daddy, tai, tande, amma, appa. It's always mother. Mother, afterwards father. So don't hate your mother, please. Moment you do something wrong with the character, your mother gets blamed. And in a crowd, something goes wrong, first people will say indisciplined children, and then they say, who are the parents? Kya sikhaya baba ne? You have no right to disgrace your mother, please. You have no right to disgrace that wonderful lady, that beautiful lady who cries every day for you. Who cries every day for you. You have no right to hurt that lady. So I request you, please remember that don't please play with your character and spoil your mother's name. Please, mother, don't spoil your name. I request, I know somebody will come within 4-5 days. Again, we have to call the parents, leave their job and come here. I request those boys, don't be please wrong behavior. I request 100 times I'm requesting on this stage, don't trouble your mummy, don't trouble your daddy. Please maintain your dignity, maintain your mother's and father's dignity. Please, first is behavior. So thank you children, this is a beautiful one, attitude. This is how we will test it. Next please. Life skill is very, very important for me. Cultural committee, sports committee, these are three very, very important and all are interrelated. And believe me, sports will teach you life skill, sports will teach you attitude. If you have good attitude, you'll be a good sportsman, you'll be a good life skill person. These are wonderful, as CBSE has given this, not me, and this is your marks. Out of everywhere you get 4 marks and this, what's your percentage? Are you not into participation, 0 mark? Participates of insistence, being every time in sports, then 1 mark. Participates voluntarily, but sometimes, then 2 marks. Participate voluntarily, but frequently is 3 marks. And always in participation, 4 marks. The coaches feel this, and they will be very truthful, and this goes to your parents. Permanent record. And this you will carry when you go to universities. Like all these 12 standard rules, you will carry the booklet. What are you? What do I write if you make fun? What do I write if you disturb classes? What do I write if you come late to class? Sorry, it is sad. And the universities will not spare you, they will ask you. We want. They come running, go see today. So many students will be standing and say, Sir, could you give me sir, please, sir? Can't be. I cannot go against my conscience. You make your own report, please. Please make your own report. You make. I don't make. You make. You make a record, you get wonderful records. I request everyone, start from childhood. Lovely children of 4th, 5th, 6th, start 8th, 7th, 8th, start how you sit, how you talk, how you respect, how you wear your clothes, how you don't follow wrong people, follow good people. Please maintain every teacher, everyone, first correct like a mother. Mother never ignores. One is a wrong mother will ignore. Mother never ignores a wrong thing. She says, no better, don't speak loudly. Mother never. Mother corrects. And every teacher, every sports, every dog parent, your duty is to correct. Anything you see wrong, correct. And they will listen. They are children. They are children. And we love you children. We love you. Please give a little respect to your teachers. They love you a lot. Please try. And we are in our hands. We want to shape you to beautiful children before you pass out. Next. This is lovely certificate. Everyone should give to the parents. And this giving 75%. Today 75% is not great mark. But 75%, a colorful certificate goes to your parents. Many of the children have got so many in your home. Go see. We have sent to you. And I request the teachers, the principal, vice principal, don't just send it to parents. Call the children, show it to them, then send it to parents. In fact, that beauty should the child should see. Child sees only when they go holiday, Lakshmi just sends it off direct. That's not fair. Please take one day, show them, then this class will come, give it, show the class, then they send it. Next, please. If you do scholarships, all of the children, I have got more than 1,000 children who are studying in pharmacy today of JE Group. Talk about Brunel, talk about Sheffield, talk about Cambridge, Durham, Liverpool, Manchester, you talk about anything in UK alone, all of you will make you the best of universities. God bless you children, we are there to help you. We are there to help you from day one. 11th itself you start planning. 12th will become a little late, but please start planning if you plan to go abroad. Next please. Again, see so many children, I can keep showing you Cardiff, Middlesex, Sheffield, Westminster, next please. In USA again we have got Drexel, California, next, so many are there children, I have not got all of them, so many are there. Dasi, Tejas Shukapai, Tushar, Boston, Illinois, Northeast, Boston, Rochester, California, Rochester, next. So many, Singapore, Russia, Dubai, Germany, Australia, everywhere you talk of the world, I'll show you. You go to any university, you will find some Gaia child there. And I request all of you, please, next please. And all you promote here, you select good videos. Done.